Alright, this video is just for the new impact wrench, JEXUGK. So I'm trying to do this video for any other person that want to make a purchase. So don't hesitate. This impact is excellent, it's wonderful. I already used it, removed my lug nuts, put it back, but I'm going to just do this video for anyone that want to make a purchase. So I'm going to try it out right now for you to see that it removes the lug nut just within a second. So I'm going to try it out now. Let's go. That's it. Thanks.
Lug nuts have been on here for several years. Work good.